Hi everybody, here to talk about my 4 specific purposes for my required speeches this class. The first speech I'm going to give is going to inform you about the highlights of living in Alaska for 4 years. There were so many beautiful things there that I just thought that's something I really want to share with you guys. So that'll be my first speech. My second speech is to inform you of the process of a city council meeting. I work for city council during the day, and I really enjoy my job, and I have a real passion for government, and I like being at the small local level where you can kind of see the difference in what the politicians do and how it makes a difference within your city. And I'm quite fascinated by the process, the behind the scenes kind of things that you don't see during the on-air city council meeting. The third speech I'm going to give is going to persuade you that sterilization is a viable option to control the feral cat population here in Newport News. Newport News, like most cities, have a large population of feral cats that run loose, and they got there maybe because somebody dropped them or whatever, but they're here and we have to deal with them. And the pet lovers of the world have a real hard time with them being scooped up and taken to the SPCA and put to sleep. So I think that we can use sterilization as an option. My fourth speech is going to persuade you that offshore drilling should be allowed in the United States. Offshore drilling of oil should be allowed in the United States, and why I think that's an option to not only lower gas prices but put our country in a better economic state and maybe back as a world leader instead of where we're falling in the world economy. So that's what I'm going to talk to you about. Thanks so much.